We are currently in our kitchen. So here's the thing. You can record yourself on video game playing. How did I do it? Step number 1, I have a Logitech. Next up, I have a Blue Yeti because microphone and sound is important. I have a ring light over there. And now I see all the little dots. I just looked at it. This is called Here, I'll look it up. Things like Loom. I tried Soapbox. I tried Zoom. The best one that I have found we're able to see the screen. We're able to see Air server windows. He's playing on the iPad and it's mirroring over here and you have to do what's called screen mirroring. Oh, you can't see it. It's called screen mirroring. Mirroring. What game are we playing?
Agario.
Ooh, I can make it big screen. I
can't see quality content. It's quality. I'm a pro gamer, so don't mess with me.
I've been trying to get this all set up. We're struggling with him being in focus. I don't know why he's not in focus. Oh, did you just die?
Yes. Because
now we have to watch an ad. That makes me want to buy it. I've never watched it.
I haven't watched it either.
It's not appropriate for a kid. Oh, Crybaby's going to take you down. Crybaby's going to make you cry. There's a fox. And you got eaten. Oh, yeah.
Let's play Kool-Aid Man.
Pump it up. He busts through a wall all the time. What were you telling me about Agario videos on YouTube?
They have music.
Do all of them have music?
Yes.
What is the point of this game?
You want to get big, and you want to eat people.
Is there a strategy to team up with other people?
Yes.
How do you talk to them to team up?
You basically say, ooga, ooga, booga.
3 ways to grow on YouTube. What were the 3 ways?
To have a panic attack in the middle of your video, to be funny, randomly shout out words.
So the 3 ways was rank your videos, use keywords, and add value.
I hate that word. What's the point of saying value?
Should we include music?
This is how I play my games.
You are actually. Normally you are humming. We have to edit the video now. The way that I'm going to probably edit is use something called Movavi.
That sounds like a name from The Lion King. Mufasa.
Mufasa?
Muvavi.
Muvavi.
That's the long lost brother of Mufasa.
It's just easy editing tools. Research I did online didn't necessarily bring up any of these tools for how to get your kid up and running with recording their gameplay on either an iPad, Nintendo Switch, or the iPhone. So far, we've got the screen mirroring using that Air server windows and all of these have free trials. And Movavi. All of these have free trials. I do pay for Movavi. I haven't paid yet for because I just started using it today. And have I paid? No, I haven't paid for Air server windows. So I guess I'll see how much all of that costs together. But I don't think it's like super expensive. Please Help reminds me of that video with the Wasabi Kid. Let's play the Wasabi Kid video. How do I do that? Ooh, I have to share another screen.
But it's just...
There she is.
All Carolina got our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. We all Carolina got our neighborhood. Except Larry doesn't fuss.
Larry.
Ew, Larry.
Do you want to try it?
Oh, she wants wasabi.
She does want.
Get this girl some wasabi. Sheesh.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
The best way to end this video. Thank you very much. Subscribe. Okay, stop. Stop. We're done.